My boy's taking a test. Are you doing good?
Get out.
Yeah. Yeah, first night in El Salvador, and I'm not even doing.
Can you close the door?
I'm not even doing it. This guy's being a dick. ¿Eso es nuevo?
No.
Recientemente eso fue construido.
Hace unos 15 años más o menos.
Sí, ¿quieres ir en el video?
No, tranquilo.
Sí. ¿Cómo te llamas? Carlos. ¿Y todo eso fue construido después? ¿Su presidente meten todas las banderas en el cárcel o qué?
Esto se construyó antes, hace unos 15 años más o menos.
Sí.
Acá están construyendo un estadio de fútbol.
Sí, ahora ellos están construyéndolo.
Sí.
Bien.
Un estadio nuevo para 50,000 personas.
¿Y todos los ricos viven en las montañas o
No,
dónde?
esta es una zona residencial y comercial,
Sí.
hacia el lado noroccidente, digamos.
¿Aquí las personas están felices o ellos
Sí,
quieren
hay mucha seguridad
se
ahora mismo.
muden?
Hay mucha seguridad y estamos muy tranquilos ahora mismo.
Sí, parece muy tranquilo.
Sí. Ahora vamos a tomar la Boulevard Monseñor Romero que nos lleva a Occidente.
Sí. ¿Y cuántos días piensan que es suficiente para quedarnos en El Salvador?
Para conocer muy bien el
Sí.
país, unos 15 días.
¿15 días?
Para conocer de norte a sur, de oriente a occidente.
Bien.
Mucho verde, ¿no?
Sí. Las personas aquí, yo sé que hay muchos surfadores, pero ¿hay más surfadores o futbolistas aquí?
Hay más futbolistas, pero no son tan buenos.
Sí. Pero pienso en surfear, hay 3 mundiales, pienso.
Sí, es un deporte que es una disciplina que ha tenido mucho auge últimamente. Dicen que hay buenas olas.
Sí. En el Tunco, pienso.
En esa zona, sí, precisamente.
Pero en la noche una persona puede caminar sin problemas.
Sin problema,
Sin
sí.
problemas.
Hoy hay mucha seguridad, hay mucha vigilancia, la ciudad está muy protegida, hay cámaras por todos lados,
Sí.
hay mucha videovigilancia y la verdad es que
Sí,
te digo, muy seguro.
vi eso, que hay muchas cámaras, mucha vigilancia.
Claro.
¿Te has fijado que hay muchos turísticos mudándose aquí?
Mucho turismo ha subido mucho, de hecho ayer por lo menos comenzaba con una turista francesa
Sí, sí.
que era su segundo día en el país y de hecho me comentaba que hoy va hacia la misma ruta de ustedes,
Sí.
va para Occidente.
Porque no hay la delincuencia como antes. Me pensaba que hay muchas personas mudándose aquí.
Antes era muy curioso que la persona que venía, por ejemplo, las personas que venían por negocios o por algo en particular, no por turismo.
Sí.
Y lo primero que te preguntaban era dónde estaban los pandilleros, dónde estaban los delincuentes agarrándose a balazos.
Sí.
Pensaban que los iban a ver en la calle. Eso no pasa.
Y una persona ayer me dijo que es invierno para ustedes ahora.
Sí, justamente.
Sí.
Está lloviendo mucho, principalmente en la noche, en la tarde-noche, después de las 4 de la tarde ya está lloviendo.
mantiene el mismo durante
Sí,
el verano y aquí.
Así
o-
es, mantenemos una temperatura más o menos entre los 22 grados a 29 grados acá en esta zona y lo más alto 35 grados en el verano. Esta época en particular, el máximo unos 30 grados aproximadamente. Llega a bajar hasta los 17 grados en época de frío.
¿Y te fijes que hay más turísticos durante este tiempo o durante verano, enero?
En esta época particularmente, que para ustedes es verano ya.
Sí. ¿Y los turísticos usualmente hay jóvenes o es más viejos?
Hoy está viniendo mucho joven.
Sí.
Hoy viene mucho joven. Más que personas antes. Adultos mayores.
¿Has visitado el volcán?
Sí.
Sí, y parece el mismo como en las lecturas. ¿O
Mucho
no?
mejor todavía.
Sí. Porque a veces cuando visitamos lugares, las picturas están editados.
No, este es impresionante.
Sí.
Les va a gustar muchísimo.
Y es azul como es en las picturas.
Sí, es. Les va a encantar.
So we're in our new Airbnb, right? And look, like not only is there me, not only is there my friend. Wait, where's that? Where's your word? Oh. Not only is there my friend, but look, we also got like a little lizard here to share the room with. So, hey, I mean that's a pretty good price. Three guests for $30 a night. Hey, can't complain. Can't complain.
No, I'll complain.
No, this is $30, bro. This is nice.
Nice weird.
Wow, bro. Like, look at how well preserved the area is. This is crazy.
Nothing on each one.
Nah, it's actually nice. Here, we can walk up.
Actually, you can walk on this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I've seen it.
I need to ask. I don't know if you said we can't walk past the rope or we can't walk past the yellow.
I'm assuming it's a rope.
I don't know. This is actually nice. Everything's like well kept. Heavy.
Ask them Egyptians how they do it.
And the person that was guiding us, he was like, "There's 10 more of these." But it's crazy because like it's like in the city. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like you just go down a regular street and it's right here.
Sorry, caught that first, huh?
Of course. Wow. Look at this, guys. Look at, there's a lizard like right there. You see that, Asher?
It's a big ass lizard, bro.
That's huge.
Here, garrobo.
Garrobo?
Garrobo.
Garrobo.
Yeah. Yeah. In the cave is over there. Down there. Garrobo.
And this was built like in steps?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's so big. Look at that.
Yeah. It measures, I don't know, 24 meters in height, but use. Yeah.
Look at it. Oh, you're recording me.
So here
¿Qué
we
es
have
eso?
archaeological perspective. You're gonna see like passengers and staircases, walls. There's no evidence if they used as rooms or something like that. But the staircases maybe were connected to the dwelling buildings. And the rooms were behind, each in every corner. Nagoya's University found at least 5 levels of volcanic ashes.
Here?
Yes. And they found a cranial deformation. that I'm gonna show you here. So this kind of types of cranial deformation was related to social distinction, the higher class.
Okay.
They were all like that.
Yeah.
Es muy caluroso, ¿no?
Yeah.
Sí. ¿Es como así todo el año? Sí.
On March is definitely hard, the hardest.
Yeah. Because I heard that like January, February, March is like summer for you guys.
Yeah, but I don't know why March is hardest
Yeah.
to me.
Like, is it the most humid?
Mhm.
¿El más húmedo? Durante marzo? ¿O no?
No, actually in July, August, September.
So right now.
Sí,
something
eso
like
es.
the most humid.
Sí. Pero es más caluroso durante el verano,
Mhm.
enero, febrero, marzo.
Sí, exactly. And the outside for the calling wheel.
This is the biggest one in El Salvador?
Yeah, it is.
So they walked up here. You enjoyed that?
That was looking fire.
Damn, bro. That was too fast.
Bro,
Gracias.
that first one killed me, bro. I was like, what the?
Now that was actually scary.
Well, look, like.
Damn, bro, that was quick. I just recorded a little, bro. That was a quick little
Quick
little something.
Hold on, come look.
That was fast, bro. Oh, you recorded a little?
Nigga, this shit scared me. I'm like, what the fuck?
Bro, I didn't get none on recording, bro. Fuck.
So, $10 gone?
Sorry, guys. I need to level up my equipment so I
Hey,
I
this
can.
man just tried to scam me $10, bro. Put that on your video.
Hold up.
Fine, bro.
They got all of this, but no elevator to go back up, bro. What the hell? No, that was fastest $10 I've ever spent in my life.
You spent $10.
I did.
Don't try to scam me $10.
Hold up, let me get a video. Oh yeah, you better go flying, bro. My friend's scared.
No, I'm not.
Oh yeah, they racing. Oh yeah, old man getting cooked. Come on, bro. Woo. How was that, bro? Hold up, look at.
Are you a butt? Hi.
First time being touched by a girl, yes. Wow. Two guys. No stuff up. No stuff.
He was hating on the massage. Look at you. That shit was so nice, bro. Oh, this is thick, bro. This is not going on no YouTube, bro. You don't have my consent.
I like it.
Damn, your fake tattoos coming out, man.
No, that's why I gotta get a real one.
Stuff, my dude.
That should look good.
Bro.
I can't wait for Bahamas.
Finished that little massage, and now it's time to relax with my boy.
You gassy right now.
Anywhere else in the world, like it's lightning and thundering right now, they would have closed like everything. Like it's actively like lightning and thundering, right? And raining too. They close nothing. Like everything's open. You can go and swim. There's a big pool over there. You can go and swim in it. Whatever, bro. I like this country. I like countries that are free like that. USA needs a. USA needs to follow suit, bro. What? Does it get deeper?
A little bit.
Are we gonna play in the pool together?
Go in the pool.
Oh, like it's literally raining. Look at this.
Oh, well, y'all can't see it's raining. Thanks.
Woo! Will it record me? Zip.
Hey man, this shit's fire. Yo, is this shit waterproof?
No, but I have a case with this waterproof because I was gonna bring it because I didn't know if we were doing jet skis or not, but we're not.
What do you mean we're not? I thought we're doing tomorrow. Yeah, and ain't nobody want to see that weak ass shit. Man, so skinny, man. How do I record?
Stop it. Don't record this. Are you going?
Okay.
I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna be fat after.
Okay. He's so fun. Mind you, he's 21. Nice big tattoos, man. Yo, so this is just like the GGI. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
This is the life. But hold up, I gotta get it with it thundering, bro. Me and my boy Asha woke up bright and early this morning. Right now we're headed on our way to the volcano. Hopefully that's a cool experience. Like the pictures look real, I don't know, like realistic. A lot of times when we go to places and we get there, it's a lot different than the pictures, but I don't know, this one, a lot of people say it's really like the picture, so we're just gonna have to see. So I'm not actually too sure where we're at.
Got me on a random scavenger
Or yeah. So like we wanted to go to the, oh my god, my legs. We wanted to go to the volcano trail.
I just want to eat.
We wanted to go to the volcano trail, but like they said it was closed. So we kind of just joined. We just joined like a.
Can't do a tour.
Okay, whatever. So we kind of just joined some random people. Holy shit. Apparently, yo, yo, this is supposed to be like 2 hours, bro. We're 2 minutes in, bro. I'm dying. I'm not.
All the water we have, by the way. Shut up. That's all we have.
I'm not built for this, bro. I'm a bodybuilder.
You're a wannabe bodybuilder. You're a soccer player, man.
I'm a soccer.
You realize we gotta go up and then another hour down?
I'm a soccer player with no stamina, bro. Oh yeah, relaunch it. Oh my. Now it's getting a little bit easier. That was like the hard part. But I'm a trooper. I know. Now it's just kind of like zigzag, like trail type shit. I don't really know how far we are, like, on the trail. I think we're like kind of in the middle. It's like,
It's crazy, bro.
we're in the middle.
1 minute long.
Cause like a hard part.
2 hours, bro. So it's like...
Bro, she said go and back. But at the beginning is hard. And then the middle is kind of easier. And the end is kind of hard. And yeah. But no. It's chill. Move. We're not quite there, but we're close. I think there's like 30 minutes left and then we'll be at the top. The lady said because the winds are so strong that you can only be up there for like 5 minutes. So, quick little trip. Huh? That's crazy, man. All this rock is like red.
Really?
I was struggling in the beginning, but now we're chill. Like in the beginning it was hard, but now we're chilling, bro. I was gonna wear flip flops, but that would have been a bad idea. From this point, there's like 10 minutes. Yeah, we're there. Yo, it's so fucking windy. We're almost like we're literally right there, and we got past the part where like there's all the like the rock and stuff to protect the wind, and now they're in the open. It's just blowing. It's also getting hell. It's hard to breathe. Is it hard to breathe for you? I ain't used to this, bro. Like my nose is starting to act up. My lungs. We're chilling though. We're right there. Sulfur lake coming out from the clouds. We're coming out from the volcano. Yo, let's check it out. What the fuck, bro? Yo. What the fuck? That's literally insane. Oh, okay. Okay. You gotta stay behind like these bars right here.
Yeah, I know. I understood, comprende.
No one's talking to you. Yeah, they're dogs. Bro, I've never seen nothing like this. Exactly like the pictures. Let's get some pictures. Hopefully no one saw that I just fell. Look, bro, I just got scratched up. Finished at the top. And like you gotta go up with a group, but when you come down, like if you want to, you can just go down by yourself, and that's what we're doing. Hey, there's snakes, bro. You got me to fight them off. Ooh. Look at how rocky this is, bro. I've slipped like literally like 20 times, and the edge of the volcano is like right there. One bad step, one bad slip, plus the wind, you're done. Rest in peace. Oh my day. And I was gonna wear flip flops to this. I'm so glad I did not. There's so many passes. Like there's like this pass, and we have no idea like which one to take. Ashraf, this one's way too rocky. It's not. I don't think it's this one. Bro, look. This is it. Where are you going, bro?
I just saw people. Well, stop being a bitch.
No one's being a bitch, bro. This isn't the way, bro. Well, Ashraf, wallah, this isn't safe.
I told you to kill me.
This guy's trying to get me killed. He's mad he didn't get a little popsicle, and now he's throwing a big old tantrum.
Hell rage, bitch. You love trying to rage, bitch. I don't know why. We're not lost.
Where? Oh, never mind, chat. He didn't get lost. He's actually hella smart. He gets hella girls. He kind of the shit. Where are you go? My ankles are absolutely killing me. Like there's all these rocks, right? You step on them, twist your ankle. Twist your ankle. Twist your ankle, bro. It's crazy. Ankles hurt, nose hurts, lungs hurt, head hurts. I didn't get the bulk today. Bro, what is this? But it's all worth it. Because it was a new experience. You know, it's cool. The problem with being in the mountains is it's a little difficult to find an Uber. So now we're kind of just walking because we're trying to go to the lake next. So like the mountains up here overlooking the lake. And I mean it's a drive.
So pick a side.
Fuck. Hold on, we got a side to pick. Nah, it was this way.
The car had to be coming from here. But we was just up there. That's insane.
We're a little stranded. The difficult part about being up in, you know, the mountains is it's a little difficult to find some transportation of any sort. So we're kind of just bam, no one, bam, no one. It's this guy.
This guy. What the?
But yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to hitchhike. Boom. Yeah, it looks like we got to hitchhike. We were trying to get food, but nobody accepts card. We ran out of cash. And wait, how far is it till we like to the lake? How long?
7 kilometers.
So it's 7 kilometers to go down. I don't really know how far that is in miles, but
It's about like almost 4 miles.
4 miles.
5.
That's not even that bad.
You want to walk? We just did.
But we're gonna have to hitchhike. Hitchhike or walk. You can't find an Uber. We can't get food. We got no money.
I feel like we go closer this way we get food.
We're tired. This is. What do you think? Is this a good experience or no?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Stranded in El Salvador? What are you doing?
Stranded in El Salvador. One of one content.
Please, bro, someone come save us.
I just want to eat.
Hey, I ain't complaining, bro. Nah, that's so fucking fire, bro. Nah, these guys actually is such a. Bro, this is so fire. Look at this. Well, you gotta get the content though. Oh,
how we managed
oh shit, my camera's low, bro. Plenty of videos, bro. This shit is surreal. Like, look at this. Push up, go, 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 fast! Oh yeah! Don't get my camera wet now. This is like a fast food spot here, but it's bust, bro. And in the US, we got Chipotle, we got Qdoba. Like, those are the main ones, but this is the real deal. Shout out, Laka Laka. Yeah, Laka Laka. Shout out Laka Laka. Y'all make some good tacos. I think they are delicious, delicioso.